We discussed the analysis of variance is very important technique to compare more than two means. Population mean, that is mu1, mu2, mu3, so on, mu k we can take also. Why mu1, mu2, mu3? Mu1 is for one random sample. We study only one parameter. For it, we use t-test. Also, for two random sample, we use the t-test. Here is H0, that is a null hypothesis. Null hypothesis is a statement that we define here. Here, we discuss the parameter. So, mu is equal to mu naught. H1, mu not equal to mu naught. There is also option mu greater than mu naught or mu less than mu naught. Next step is alpha, level of significance. Very, very important level of significance that we can take 5%, 1%, 2%, 1%, any we can discuss. It means 5%, mu not equal to mu naught. This is very, very important interpretations. 95% mean mu is equal to mu naught. So here is alpha, that is 5%, that is the H1, and 95%, that is the H0. Here is the t-test. T-test, it is actually one sample test. One sample test we discuss here, x bar, that is the sample mean. I discuss here sample mean, x bar, mu is the population mean. Population mean that we will here discuss the parameter. Parameter mean population characteristics. And S is the sample standard deviation. N sample size. So when we have only one sample, we use the t-test. Also when we have the two sample, we use the t-test to compare the means. Similarly, for two sample, we also use the t-test. I have already told you all in the class. So ANOVA is a technique that is very, very important to compare more than one parameter, more than one sample. Two sample, it means we will discuss two parameters. Three sample, we will discuss the three parameters, 4, 5, so on. So this is very, very important. Analysis of variance, it is a technique to use when we study more than two sample. More than two sample mean we will discuss more than two parameters. Suppose a researcher is interested in comparing more than two population mean. For example, 4 varieties of wheat, 6 type of a diet. So these examples show 4 mean more than 2, 6 more than 2. So in this situation, we will use the analysis of variance. For this, we will first describe the null hypothesis. Again, for t-test, we use only mu1 is equal to mu. So here is mu1 is equal to mu2 is equal to mu3 is equal to mu4. So we have the 4 varieties of wheat. So also we discuss the H1 means are not equal. Here we again mention alpha. Alpha mean 5%. 5% means are not equal. Again I am saying this, means are not equal. Yes, very, very important. When we study more than two sample, we use the F-test. F-test for H0. And this technique is called analysis of variance. In analysis of variance, we use the F-test. F-test based on the variances, sample variance. I will discuss in the ANOVA table. We first solve your questions, then it will be easy to understand the theory. I always use my